17th of September 2025. Another energy update of the now. I know, I left in the Lion's Gate. That was the last update I gave on the 9th of August. And then a lot shifted. The world went to a Lion's Gate energy and my world as well. To come back to the now, in the meantime, amazing new people entered my life. And we are now in Moon 2, but at the end of Moon 2 already. And Moon 2 is always challenging us. It's an energy that is challenging us because in Moon 1, we come with all that fire and we have a big view on what is my purpose and why am I here? What's my life path? And so a lot of things happen. Then Moon 2 is, let me see if this is your path. What is still to shift then to allow you to follow that path? And oh my God, yes. So I had to look at all of these aspects, and luckily, you can't make it up. The universe just gave us 13 days of White Dog Creation Wave. And White Dog Creation Wave is all about unconditional self-acceptance. And yes, I know it's my path to, and I think it's the path of all of us, to step by step re-accept and love ourselves completely for who we are, with all the flows, with all the craziness, and with all the kind of experiences we had. And when we look at them, you think, oh my God, how did I do that? No. Yes, it's all of that and even more. So yes, I cried over the last few days and I really came back and I just explained it to somebody. I said, life is really a pure roller coaster. But I really love it the way I live it today, because after these crazy roller coasters that we sometimes think we cry an eye out, like the eye will disappear because of all the tears. After this cleaning and purification and this new layer that came off, like, okay, I accept all of it and letting go, just like accepting actually all of it right now, how it is, how crazy it is, and how messy it feels. It's all of it. That's also life. And it's all part of the whole thing, the growth process, the experiences we wanted as a soul, actually, and they all need to come. And this creation wave where we are in zone 8 today, so we are almost halfway through it, of the self-acceptance, unconditionally, self-compassion, self-love, all of it, like this reconnection with all parts of ourselves. It's super important to be able to move towards the end of this wave spell, which is all about inspired communication. So it's not funny. It's not like coincidental. It's not, how do we say that in Dutch? It's not by coincidence that I am rebirthing, kind of word that I'm using. It's not coincidental that I now feel again like the flow to push the button and to record. Because before I didn't feel the button. I didn't feel that I had to push the button. I didn't feel like I had to come out here again. But now, today, after an amazing morning full of synchronicity, and it's Red Earth today, so I'm manifesting on Red Earth energy, which is all about ease, synchronicity, and everything. And tone 8 is on inner balance. So, what is balancing me today after an alignment day of yesterday? So, yeah, the more I flow with all of this and the more I'm able to put pieces of the puzzle together, it really brings me back to my essence. And it's also okay to come out with these messages. And it's also okay that it's not perfect. And it's also okay that I'm sometimes really crazy. And all of these pieces of me are okay. So that's my message um, of the white dog energy that I'm feeling flowing through me today on a tone 8, inner balance, synchronicity, red earth, and moving towards day 13 of this creation wave, which is all about inspired communication. And yes, it's the last week of Moon 2, so it's important to put together all of the aspects and all of the challenges that came through our life in many waves and many forms over the last 3 weeks. When you go back to the last 3 weeks, you will see that a lot of situations challenged you. And if you can put all of these pieces of the puzzle together, we will flow into Moon 3 much more aware. And we have another new moon coming. So at the same time as the start of the Moon 3. So be prepared. Have a nice day. Talk to you soon again. Bye bye.